Hey everybody, welcome back to 2 Acres Evolving. Today I'm going to be working in this flower bed in my backyard, and as of right now, this flower bed is the biggest flower bed that I have. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be building a rock pathway to kind of split this flower bed up a little bit, and then I'm going to be planting shade plants in a specific area. All right, so here's where the pathway is going to start. Here's the planters that I made in the previous video. And then in between these, I'm going to have the pathway start, and it's going to circle around these trees, and then it's going to go out to the yard over here. And then this back area I'm going to be filling in with shade plants. This area is mostly shaded and it gets a little bit of dappled sun, and then in the late afternoon, like maybe not even an hour, it gets a little bit of sun. So now I'm going to go ahead and get started on the path. All right, so I have the pathway done, and I decided to take out a few bricks and just make the path run into the rock that I have out here in front. And so I'll take you around, and I've got the plants. I went to the garden center today and I went kind of crazy on plants, but I'll tell you a little bit about them in just a second. I'll take you around here to the side, and it goes out to the yard. Now over here, I've still got work to do. I've still got mulch to do, and I've got to go get another load of mulch to get this all taken care of. But this area over here is what I want to talk about today. So let me go ahead and start up the front. All right, so I have the Empress Wuhasta here. Now this one, it'll get 4 feet tall and about 6 feet wide. So it'll definitely fill in this corner over here. And then on the outside of that, I have 3 Citronella heuchras. These only get about 12 feet tall and about 15 inches wide. So these will stay on the small side. And then these 3 hostas, these are called So Sweet hostas. These get about 14 inches to 22 inches tall and wide. So I have 3 of those in here. And then there's another Empress Wuhasta that I've already planted, and the ferns. And then up here, I have the Brother Stefan hostas. These get about 24 to 36 inches tall and wide. So these will get a little bit bigger than the other ones. And I have them along the pathway. And then back here, I have an azalea bush. This azalea bush is called Autumn Lily. This one has white blooms. And then I have 3 plants here. These say that they can do partial shade to full shade. So they'll do really great here. These are called Chantilly Lace. And these are kind of new to me. I don't exactly know a lot about these right now. But I will post a picture of them. I like the way they looked. And I'll post a picture of what they look like at their mature size, so you all can see what it'll look like. And then again, remember, the fence that's back there is going to be coming all through here, so all this will be fenced in. And these 2 dead trees are going to be going very, very soon. So just use your imagination and act like those aren't there. And then this hydrangea that I have back here, it's the Nico Blue hydrangea. This one, I think I'm going to have to move. It's doing okay, but it's not growing as fast as I think it should. And I think it needs a little bit more sun than it gets in this area. So pretty soon I'll be moving this one, and probably around the fall whenever it's not so hot. And then these 3 plants I already had. These are the coleus that I used in the circle flower bed in my front yard. And I had 3 extras, so I'll put those right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on planting these. All right, so I have this area all planted, and I think it looks a whole lot better now that everything's in the ground. And I cannot wait for all this to grow in. Fill in this area. I still have a few holes that I need to fill in, like right here. And then whenever I move the cannon back there, I'll have to fill in that back area. But it's starting to look really good. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one.